This is the story about honesty, not the kind where you tell the truth to others, but the harder kind, where you tell the truth to yourself. This is the second story from chapter 2 of Sadi's Golestan on the ethics of dervishes. It tells the story of a humble dervish and a question about why we do good at all. Let's read the story. درویشی را دیدم سر بر آستان کعبه همی مالید و می گفت یا غفور یا رحیم تو دانی که از ظلم جهول چه آید. I saw a dervish rubbing his head on the threshold of the Kaaba and saying, O forgiving one, O merciful one, you know what mistakes come from someone as imperfect and ignorant as I am. A dervish is someone who chooses simplicity and inner honesty over status or reward. عذر تقصیر خدمت آوردم که ندارم به طاعت استظهار. I bring my apology for failing in service, for I have no strength or trust in my worship. عاصیان از گناه توبه کنند، عارفان از عبادت استغفار. Sinners repent for their sins, but mystics seek forgiveness even for their worship. عابدان جزای طاعت خواهند و بازرگانان بهای بضاعت. من بنده امید آورده ام نه طاعت و به دریوزه آمده ام نه به تجارت. Some people offer their prayers and expect God to reward them. Others bring good deeds like merchants bringing goods to sell. But I have come empty-handed, with nothing to offer but my need for your mercy, not as a trader, but as a beggar. اصنع بی ما انت اهله. Do not judge me by what I deserve. Judge me by your nature, by your mercy and generosity. بر در کعبه سائلی دیدم که همی گفت و می گرستی خش. At the gate of the Kaaba, I saw a dervish speaking his prayer aloud, weeping with such grace. می نگویم که طاعتم بپذیر، قلم عفو بر گناهم کش. I do not ask you to accept my worship. I only ask you to erase my sins with your pen of forgiveness. That was the end of the story. Now, what we can learn from this old Persian tale? Even though it was written many years ago, its message still connects to how we live today. No one is perfect. When we accept we are not perfect, we can grow. We stop pretending, we start learning. Here's a question for you. When you do something good, do you expect a reward, or do you do it simply because it matters to you? Think about this in your own life. Share your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe for more wisdom from Sadi's Golestan. Thank you for watching.